Everything that I use in this video will be down in the description box below. I will have all the links for everything that's used in this video. So if you want to make some of these yourself and you have a Cricut and a heat press, I got you. Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy LB. I'm back with another one. Alright, so today, it's a little different. No t-shirts today, but today I have some of these, well, I had. What? I have some beer koozies. Or you can put a soda in here, but for me, if I'm using these, it's probably for a beer. But either way, I'm going to be putting some custom designs onto these, so stay tuned. I already have Design Space open and my design saved to my desktop. So this is going to be fairly quick. So we're going to go to a new project. We will upload image. And I'm just going to drag and drop what I want to make over here. And save it. I'm going to go ahead and upload both of them so that way we can go ahead and knock them both out at the same time. I want to insert them both. Let's make this bigger so we can see what we're working with here. All right, first things first, I need to know what size I need these pictures to be. All right, so we have the sizing here. I'm gonna use 3.5 by 3.5 for both of these. So to do that, I'm gonna unlock, and I'm just gonna change the size right up here to 3.5. By 3.5. And there we have that one. And there we have that one. All right, so I see that this one over here, the word just is not looking the way it's supposed to look. All right, so we're not going to use this picture because I don't like the way this is looking. This is the SVG that I already have in my files, so I can't really do too much with it. And I tried to hide the contour, but it's not working. So let's get rid of that. And we're going to upload a different picture. There we go. And I'm just going to change the color of this whole picture here. And we'll just use red. And now we can go to make it. And I still did not attach it. There we go. So make sure each one is mirrored because we will use the heat press to put this on. And then you can go to continue. My Cricut is already plugged in. So at this point, I'm going to transfer back over to my camera and we will begin cutting the vinyl out and putting these pictures onto our beer koozies. All right, and we are back. We will be using the scraps for this one because I will not cut a whole new piece just for this small picture. I have a full sheet of turquoise. What I'll do with this is I will just put the whole sheet on my mat, let it cut out the picture to 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Once that is complete, I will cut my image out and save the rest of my sheet so I can reuse this later on. I think I'm going to do a video on how to clean my mats because my mats are pretty dirty. Not really dirty, but just leftovers from previous projects. So I think I'm going to have to figure out how to clean my mats and see if it actually works out for me. So first we're going to do the turquoise color. Again, we're still doing heat transfer vinyl. Mirror it on my screen, so I need to put this shiny side down. You just line it up and place it on down. This is how it looks. Shiny side is down. Alright, let's place this on my machine. and feed it in. Nah, alright, so my first cut has finished. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. I'm gonna place this same way, shiny side down. Alright, y'all, I'm back. First of all, let me tell y'all. Let me tell y'all. So this was not big enough. So off camera, I did have to go on, cut another square to put on there. I'm not perfect. Anyways, back to the video. Let's start weeding. All right, here goes the two beer koozies. These came from alldayshirts.com as well as my t-shirts that I ordered. I will have a link in the description where you can get those at too. Anyways, here goes the first piece of holographic. Like I said, this is the shiny side. You're gonna weed from the back. So let's start the weeding process.
I have noticed that the holographic vinyl does not weed as easy. So let me get my weeding mat. Don't want to scratch my table up. Let's get it started. It should just come out fairly easy. So let's see.
If you do have a Cricut and you're weeding and you have a problem with weeding, I suggest always look at the picture on your tablet or on your computer, whatever you're using to make your projects. I usually just use a lint roller. Just stick it here, and as I'm weeding, I'll just pull it out and stick it on there. Wait, I'm confused. I don't know if this is supposed to be here or not, so let me take a look at the picture. Yeah, that's there. All right. Well, this one is done. It's complete. And my piece is back on my A. I'm just gonna use my scissors. This vinyl is a cold peel. So once I press this, I have to let it cool off before I can peel off the carrier sheet. All right, we're gonna weed this one. This is gonna weed way easier than the last one. The holographic stuff does not weed the best. It's not very easy to weed. I don't worry about getting all the small pieces off, like the little dots inside of the E's or whatever. If they don't come off when I'm pulling it here, I just come back and get it on the back end. It's no biggie. Make sure you can see. I'm sorry, y'all. Why ain't y'all tell me? You can't even see. Y'all, I don't know what just happened, but my camera just cut off on me, just cut me off, like mad rude, but whatever. Let's go ahead and get started here, because I don't know what this camera got going on. The battery's charged. Here goes my two koozies. First one, I'm gonna just lay it on there. That looks good. I might just go ahead and press these both at the same time, because I think I have enough space to do so. So the carrier sheet that you have on here is somewhat sticky already. Actually, no, I'm gonna do one at a time. Like always, my handy dandy Teflon sheet. Press. Give it light pressure, not much pressure. Give it a good 30 seconds or so. I'm gonna pull it off and move on to the next one. But if you have an iron it right on there. That bad boy gonna stick, and you're gonna be good to go. Promise you. All right, that's on there. Like I said, this is a warm peel, so I just peel it off. Peels fairly quickly. Oh, shit. Y'all, while I'm sitting here talking to y'all, my damn I and my E came off. All right, let's heat this again. Let's heat this bad boy again. All right, we'll just come back to that. I'm not gonna use my Teflon sheet this time. I'm just gonna go ahead and press it. While that one's pressing, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this. Everything stuck down perfectly fine that time. All right, y'all. Talk about some technical difficulties, because this thing right here, it's on there crooked, whatever. I'm still gonna use it. If you come to my house, guess what? You still gonna use it, so it's all right. This is this one. You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. Boom. that's what we got. There's a lot more you can do with this thing. I mean, honestly, the possibilities are endless. You could do canvas pictures, you can cut wood, you can make all types of stuff with this. It's up to you and your imagination. I do have some more intricate things coming, but for the time being, I have these sitting here for about 2 weeks now, never used them, so I figured why not go ahead and record and boom. So here we are. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please comment, like, and subscribe. I have way more content coming to you in the very, very near future. Gang, gang. Nah, but we out. I'm out. I got some things to do. I got some candles to make, so look out for those videos. Be safe out here. COVID, no joke. I'm out.